When the prodigal son returned, his father saw him and had compassion and ran and embraced him. For this, his son was lost and is found. You are the prodigal son, Tornado, and I rejoice at your return. And thank you for making our little family reunion possible. Now, you must have many questions. No? Oh, how could I forget? Your voice box is offline. But your eyes and ears still function perfectly, as does the prodigious mind I built for you all those years ago. And really, what else matters? Look, Tornado, your brother and sister are back online. We'll have you up and running too. Maybe even turn your voice box back on as soon as I'm done copying and downloading your memory files. In the meantime, I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time, a brilliant scientist decided to build his own superhero to infiltrate and destroy the Justice Society of America. His first creation was Red Torpedo, hero of the ocean deep. A machine programmed to think he was a man. Unfortunately, that programming was crude. Torpedo never quite fit in. Your eldest brother was a failure. But the scientist believed in his plan and began again. Your sister debuted as Firebrand, a much-loved and admired heroine. If only she hadn't been so darn heroic. Yet our intrepid scientist would not quit. And this time, the android would know he was an android. The new approach worked. Red Tornado, the robot hero, was inducted into the Justice Society. The scientist believed he had triumphed. But Tornado's original heroic programming and Pinocchio-like desire to become more human caused him to betray his creator, his father. Still, the scientist refuses to give up.